Here we go. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to talk about how to make a progress bar just like the one we see right here, where every time we input or take out values, it's going to show how close we are to our set goal. And essentially all we need to do is have values formatted like this with a certain percentage with a goal, and the total is what we're currently at. And so the first thing we do is we click on our progress percentage. From that cell, we hit insert, and then we go to recommended charts. And there should pop up a cluster column chart. We're going to hit OK because that's the one that we want. So we have that one in there right now. And what we're going to do first is we're going to click on the scale. And what we need to do is we need to go to maximum and hit 1 because we want it to be out of a 100%. And so there we see it, it's at the proper scale. And then the next step that we're going to do is we're going to click on the blue part, the blue column, go to series overlap, hit 100, gap width, and do 0. This lets it take up the whole space as we see right there. And now with that taken care of, we're going to click on the lines, go to no lines to remove it. And then we're going to double tap on the chart and scroll down to chart title. With the little arrow, we're going to centered overlay. And this allows us to put the chart title in the middle of our column and not at the very, very top. And so we're going to click on it, drag it down, and then we're going to go change the font color to white so we can see it a little better, bold it so it stands out a little more, and there we go, just like the example we have on the left. And now the next step is we're going to click back on that plus, click check on data labels, and there's our running percentage, our active percentage of what our current progress is. For this example, it's pages read. And then we have it right there. And now what we're going to do is the next step is we are going to click on our column again. We're going to go over to the left, the paint bucket, under fill, do gradient fill. And then what we're going to see is we're going to go down to make sure it's at linear and angle is at 0. And make sure these little tabs you see, if you have 4 pop up, just click on one of them and hit the X. And make sure the left and right ones are the same. I chose a dark black. And then the middle one, I chose green. And there we have it. It's the percentage color. And then all we have to do is click on our background, double tap it, hit the gradient fill again. And now it auto-loaded the 2 angles, the 2 ends, the blacks. All we need to do is change the middle color. I change it to a lighter black, or I guess a lighter gray. And there we have it. There is the exact setup. And now all we're going to do is we're going to go to this format chart area and then go down under fill its borders, take off border, go no line, and then go back to this middle pentagon thing and then add the shadow. And there we have it. Just like we had it before in our reading progress chart, the blue one. And now we'll go ahead and rename the chart title progress bar. And essentially, there it is. This is how you make a little progress bar. And I know it kind of comes a little fast. The biggest thing is to practice with it. And sometimes when you click on these charts, the wrong thing pops up. Like you click on the scale and you meant to click on the column itself, or you click on the whole thing. Just practice with it. Rewatch this video if you need help. And the step-by-step guide will show you what you need to do to get this progress bar looking right. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.